Hey, I'm Jen from Only One Carry On. This is the hospitality suite at the Marriott Griffin Hotel in Lexington, Kentucky. The hospitality suite is actually 3 different rooms. Starting in the main living space is a kitchenette with a refrigerator, a coffee tea maker, it was a Keurig, and a bar sink. And the dining room has a table that's quite large and has 6 chairs. The living room has a large sectional sofa that can seat at least 6 people. Attached to the main living space is a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and a separate toilet closet and a double sink vanity. Attached to the living space are 2 separate bedrooms, one on each side of the living space. To one side you have a double queen room, and to the other side you have a single king room. The double queen room had a full bath with a tub. Other than that, it was a pretty standard room that you would find in anywhere in the hotel. This is actually the room that we booked, was just a standalone double queen room. We were upgraded because of our status to this hospitality suite. The hospitality suite we were in, the double queen room, was on the corner at the end of the building. It had a large wraparound balcony. And since we put our kids there, it's kind of up to you and whether you feel that it's safe to leave your kids in a room with a balcony that opens up to the outside. We left their bedroom door cracked so we could hear them in the living room, just to make sure nobody decided to open anything and go outside in the freezing cold in the middle of the night. The king bedroom on the other side of the space also had a balcony, but because it wasn't at the end of the building, it just had one set of sliders that opened up to the outside space. And then the bathroom in this particular room was a walk-in shower. The room was also equipped with a mini fridge and a Keurig. Check the caption below for a link to the blog post, which includes the fees that we paid, the extra amenities that came with the hotel, and more information about the actual hotel food service that we experienced, including their kids menu, which I couldn't find anywhere. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. See you soon.